Hey everyone, Kyle Burke with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. We just got in this 2023 S25. The spec on this is the Victory Red with the Onyx Black accent and then the tungsten gray hull bottom. We have white Chromax logos on here. With the tower, we have the one set of 8.8 JL audio speakers with the strapless board racks from Nautique as well. This boat comes equipped with Nautique steering assist and surf system. Also, we have the surf pipe and the NCRS center tab. Boarding ladder also included. What I really like about this boat is the nice walk-through. As you come up here to the transom, you have the transom seats, the walk through into the boat where you don't have to step on any vinyl. Spacious seating with storage underneath the seats. We have the GoPro connection at the tow point and the rear view camera. As we move forward to the helm, we have the race car inspired driver's seat, the 12-inch Panorama touchscreen, keyless entry, and helm control. Nice big bow here with storage underneath. Plenty of space for everyone in the boat. For more information on this boat or a test drive, please contact MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and we'll get you out on the water.